Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix thrown and ability easy pacemaker issue or the 403 forbidden error. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So the first, go to the Windows search and just type here the ncpa.cpl, and this control panel setting appear on the top, so simply open it. Now here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet, so make a right click on it, click on the properties. Now here in the Wi-Fi property, just look for your internet protocol version 6. Now if this is checked, then just uncheck this. This is very important, just uncheck this. Then highlight the internet protocol version 4, then click on the properties. Now here just click on the option of use the following DNS addresses, and in the private DNS type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. Guys, this is the best Google DNS server, then click on the OK. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows search and just type here the proxy settings. It will appear on the top, so simply open it. Here just scroll down, you will see the manual proxy setup, so just turn it off if this is on. And you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. If you are using, then turn it off, then launch the game, then check. Now if your problem is not fixed, the solution to fix this problem is refresh the game or client. Sometimes the error can be temporary and refreshing the client or restarting the game may solve it. Now the second solution is check your internet connection. Ensure your network is stable and functioning properly. A weak or unstable connection can trigger the error. Now the third solution is clear cache and cookies. Corrupted cache data can lead to access issues. Clear the cache and cookies in your browser or game launcher to resolve this. Now the next solution to fix this problem is VPN or IP issues. Your public IP may have been blocked. Try connecting to a VPN to bypass this restriction, or contact your internet provider to check if the IP is blocked by the game servers. Now the next solution is check server status. The game servers may be undergoing maintenance or experiencing downtime. Verify the server status on the game official site or forums. Now the next solution is disable content delivery networks. If you are using CDN or proxy, temporarily disable it as it may conflict with the game servers. Now the next solution is contact support. If none of the above work, reach out the contact support. Now if your problem is still not fixed, then go to the Windows site, type with the CMD and run as administrator. Now here just type the ipconfig and space / then flush DNS. Guys, once you type it, just hit the enter, and this command flush all the DNS resolver cache. As you can see the message which is the successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, and this is very important. Then type netsh space winsock space reset, and once you type it, just hit the enter, and then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes. So once you restarted your PC, then launch the game. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.